Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband just recently rebuilt our deck, and I needed some new classy planters to jazz up the place, and I am so happy with these beautiful planters from Usocik. These planters not only look beautiful, but they are also durable. I've had these planters in the blazing sun, also through nasty thunderstorms, and they haven't shown any signs of fading or breaking. They are made of a tough plastic material, and I'm confident that they're going to last me for years, despite the abuse of a house full of pets and kids. They come in a set of 4, each with their own water plate, so you can use these indoors or outdoors. I thought these pots were the perfect size. I was able to put 4 moderately sized impatiens in each pot, along with some beautiful but weird plant that I found at Walmart that I couldn't resist. I mean, come on, it was on sale. I love how beautiful these pots are. I love the gold detail around the pot as well as the water dish, and I'd like to get a few more of these pots so that all my plants match throughout my yard. So if you're looking for a classic, beautiful planter to last you for years, then I think you're going to love this planter set from Usocik. And that's my point of view.